In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to create and use a library in TradingView PineScript 2025. Step by step. A PineScript library is perfect when you want to reuse the same functions or variables across multiple indicators or strategies without copying and pasting code each time. Let's start from scratch so you can follow along easily. First, open TradingView and head to any chart. On the right side of the screen, open the Pine editor. This is where we'll create the library. In the editor header, click the current script name if you need to bring focus to the file, then click Create New to open the drop-down menu and select Library. This tells TradingView you're building reusable components rather than a standalone indicator or strategy. You'll see a blank editor for your library. Here, write the functions or variables you want to reuse. Keep them general and well-named, because libraries are meant to be shared across scripts. Add brief comments so you remember what each function does. Simple, modular functions work best, and descriptive names make them easier to call later. When you're done, click Save. Give your library a clear, memorable name and confirm. Next, click Publish Script. In the Publish dialog, make sure the type is set to Library. Choose the visibility that fits your needs. Public if you want anyone to find and use it, or invite only if you prefer to control access. Once you're comfortable with the settings, publish it. Publishing locks in a version that other scripts can reliably import. Now let's use the library in another script. Open a new Pine script from the editor by clicking New and selecting either Indicator or Strategy, depending on what you're building. At the top of your new script, import your library using the import statement so PineScript knows where to find your functions and variables. Once it's imported, call the functions or reference the variables just like you would with built-in features. Keep your main script focused on logic and visual output, while the heavy lifting lives inside the library. When your script is ready, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the code, load your imported library, and apply the indicator or strategy to the chart. If you need to adjust behavior, update the library functions, and republish a new version, then make sure your script imports that version. That's it. Clean, reusable code with a workflow that scales as your toolbox grows. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.